This is Arushi with you guys. Stay with me to watch how a simple pencil creates 3D magic. Today we're using a scale, brown and black color pencils, 3B and 8B sketch pencils, a blue and black artist marker, and yep, an eraser too. Simple tools, right? But together, they'll create a 3D drawing that'll seriously mess with your eyes in the coolest way. Let's jump right in. We're starting with a simple square, 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters. After drawing a neat square, focus on the bottom right corner. From this point, draw a line at a 45-degree angle going up and to the right. It's better if you use a scale to keep the line straight and smooth. It might sound simple, but trust me, precision here makes a huge difference. Now here's the fun part. Pencil drawings might seem basic, but they can do amazing things. With just some careful shading and clever angles, we can create the illusion of depth, light, even movement. It's like turning a flat piece of paper into a little window into another world. Have you ever tried 3D drawing before? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear what kind of art you enjoy, or if this is your first time, that's even more exciting. And hey, if you're liking this so far, don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend who loves to draw. Let's start by outlining our square boxes with a black artist marker. This helps define the shape and gives our drawing a strong, clean base to build on. Take it slow here. Crisp outlines will really make the final 3D effect stand out. Now it's time to bring your 3D drawing to life with color and shading. Start by using a brown pencil to softly fill in the wall area. Don't rush. Go gently and evenly to build a smooth base tone. Once the brown is in place, take your black pencil and begin shading the edges and corners. Focus on where the light would naturally fall to create realistic shadows. As the contrast builds, you'll start to notice the 3D illusion slowly coming to life right on your paper. Isn't it fascinating how just 2 colors can create such depth? Let me ask you, what object would you love to see drawn in 3D next? Drop your idea in the comments. This is just the beginning, and we're already seeing the form take shape. Stick around, because the finishing touches are where the real magic happens. Now that the coloring is complete, let's move on to shading. This is what really brings out the 3D effect. I personally like to use a tissue for smooth blending, but you can also use a blending stump or even a cotton bud if you prefer. Gently rub over the shaded areas to soften the pencil strokes and create smooth gradients. This step adds depth, softness, and realism. Watch how the flat drawing starts to feel like it's popping off the page. After completing the shading with blending, it's time to take the next step, adding a watermark using a blue marker. This small detail adds an extra layer of depth and makes the 3D effect even more realistic. Just place the shadow slightly below the object, as if it's resting on the paper. It's a simple trick, but it really boosts the illusion and makes your artwork stand out. Now let's add some green grass around each corner of the 3D shape. Just a few strokes with a green marker can make a big difference. It gives the drawing a grounded feel, like the shape is sitting on real land. These small natural touches push the 3D effect even further and make the whole scene feel more alive and realistic. Stay with me. It's time for the final step. Let's draw a small stone near the 3D shape to add more detail and balance. After that, gently shade the green grass around it to give it a soft, natural look. These finishing touches bring everything together and make the whole artwork look even more awesome and lifelike. And it's done. The 3D effect looks amazing, full of life and detail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative 3D art.